Hey everybody, here I am with two sewing machines. The one on the right over here, that's a 411G. Over here is the empty front end of a Singer 500J, serial number 000119. And all that's in here really is that end of the horizontal arm shaft and a couple of screws, few screws. I got one of the screws up there. I got this one screw down there, and this is the screw for the presser bar lifter lever. And that's where the presser bar has to go. And the presser bar is actually a small part of the front end. There's literally just, the presser bar lifter itself, which is the bar, the presser bar clamp, and the lever, and the screw. So at the most, that's 4 pieces. And then once the presser bar is in position, there is a spring that goes in the top of the presser bar down into the inside, and then into that spring goes an extension pin, and they're here as well. Now here are the parts laid out on the bed for the presser bar. There's the presser bar itself, right there. There's the extension pin and the spring that will go inside the presser bar. There is the presser bar lifter lever, and there is the presser bar clamp with the set screw. So that's the parts. Okay, here's a little larger view, and at the top here you can see me pointing to that place right there. So that's where I can slide the presser bar down to make sure that it fits so it can go down there. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I'll remove the screw, then I'll take the lever, and now I'll get the screw again. Now I did get that screw seated, and for whatever reason I always have a little bit of a difficulty with that screw, but nonetheless it is in. So there, that's on. This next part is not difficult. It's pretty simple to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the bar down through there, and the other thing I want to do is I want to have it go through that. So I'll let everything settle, especially the presser bar clamp, and then I can pull the presser bar down, because the presser bar has to go almost right to the end, like that. And I may have to reset that or set it a little bit later, but let me see if I can get the screwdriver in there. So there, that's like that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the spring inside the presser bar, like that. And then that is the extension pin. And I'm going to put the extension pin in just like that. And that is the presser bar installed. That is it. Now, is it working yet? No. I have to put in the lever that applies and releases the tension on the upper tension device stud pin. And I'm not going to do that right now. There's a lot to go on actually. There's a few more things to go on before the actual presser bar will work as intended. But for now, there it is. That's the end of this little video. There's a number of the parts there and my screwdrivers, but in order to move forward from how it sits there, I'm going to have to put in the needle bar thread take-up lever system and the needle bar, and also the needle bar driving arm. Anyway, listen, have fun, stay safe. Thanks for being here. Hit the notify bell, and every time I spontaneously or sporadically post a video, you'll get a little message somewhere that I've posted. Anyway, yeah, have fun, stay safe. Adios, amigos.